Welcome back to Word Journey, where we talk about life, growth, and the power of living with purpose. Let me start with a question. Are you truly living your life or just existing? Every day, millions of people wake up, go through this same routine, and fall asleep without ever asking themselves why. They chase comfort, follow the crowd, and tell themselves they'll start living one day. But that one day never comes. Here's the truth: life is short, and it's passing faster than you think. Every moment you waste doing things that don't matter is a moment you'll never get back. So today, I want to talk about one of the most important topics of all: don't waste your life. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to stop drifting through your days and start living a life that truly means something. Let's begin your word journey toward a life of purpose and fulfillment. Section 1. Life is precious. Life is the greatest gift you've ever been given. You didn't choose to be born, but you do get to choose how to live. Every second, every breath, every heartbeat is an opportunity, a chance to create, to love, to grow, and to make a difference. But most people don't realize how precious time really is until it's too late. They live as if they'll live forever, wasting days on meaningless distractions, negative people, or endless complaints. They don't see that every day is one page in the story of their life, and one day the story will end. If you waste your days, you waste your story. And if you waste your story, you waste your life. Section 2. What it means to waste your life. Wasting your life doesn't just mean doing nothing. It also means doing the wrong things, things that keep you busy but not fulfilled. Many people live on autopilot. They wake up, scroll through their phones, go to jobs they hate, come home tired, and then do it all again the next day. They say, "I'll follow my dreams later. I'll change my life next year. I'll be happy when I have more money." But later never comes. Because life doesn't wait. To waste your life means ignoring your potential, letting fear control your choices, and allowing comfort to kill your dreams. If you're not growing, you're shrinking. If you're not learning, you're falling behind. And if you're not living with purpose, you're just existing. Section 3. How to stop wasting your life. Now, let's talk about how to change that, how to live with intention and meaning. 1. Know what truly matters. Ask yourself, what do I value most? Is it family, growth, contribution, creativity, or peace? When you know what truly matters, you stop chasing things that don't. 2. Set goals that give your life direction. A life without goals is like a ship without a map. You might keep moving, but you'll never arrive anywhere meaningful. Set goals that challenge you, excite you, and push you to become the best version of yourself. 3. Use your time wisely. Time is your most valuable resource. Every hour you waste is gone forever. Choose carefully what you give your time to, because your time is your life. 4. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. The people around you shape your mindset. Be with those who inspire you, who push you to dream bigger, and who remind you of your purpose. 5. Take action now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There's no such thing. Every great change begins with one small step, and the best time to take that step is now. Section 4. Live with purpose. Living with purpose doesn't mean you need to do something huge or famous. It means doing something that gives your life meaning. It could be helping others, creating something beautiful, building a family, or growing into the person you were meant to be. Purpose is not found in what you get. It's found in what you give. Every day, ask yourself, am I living the life I want to remember? Because one day, your time will end. When that day comes, will you be proud of how you lived? Or will you wish you had done more? Don't waste your life chasing things that don't matter. Live in a way that fills you with pride, gratitude, and peace. Conclusion. So, here's the truth: you have one life. Just one. Don't waste it trying to please everyone. Don't waste it being afraid. Don't waste it waiting for the perfect time. Start today. Start small, but start. Because every step you take with intention brings you closer to a life that feels alive, a life you can look back on and say, I lived it fully. Thank you for watching Word Journey. If this message inspired you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos that help you live with confidence and purpose.